I collect my bamboo, I put it in the back of my car, and still, even a couple months later, I am and researching on YouTube and like Google to find people who have made combs from wood before. So I had looked through all of the information and tested out some bamboo combs after chopping a few pieces. But chopping the bamboo was actually really laborious work, and I had to learn how to use a wood cutter that you see here.
Down to your sneaker. The great spotlight. This is
One, me. One, two.
Let me get a little more on my left and my head's right here. Just a little more.
Two. Hey.
Something like.
Check 1 2, mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2, mic.
Microphone check 1 2 2 1 2.
Save the bass.
Check 1 2, mic check 1 2. Check 1 2, mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2, mic check.
Now that I know the order.
I mean, I'm mastering this.
Turn it on.
Real nigga music ain't real nigga move. Hey man, the industry so motherfucking dirty, man. I watch this shit break down my motherfucking organization, man. Watch these niggas infiltrate this shit, man. Watch out for these labels, man. You four finger fucking y'all niggas, man. Real talk, man. Make sure your lawyer know what he doing, man. He signed contracts right. Cause home might sign you on a fucked up deal thinking that shit real. Don't get a 360. That shit ain't 100, my nigga. Walk the flock of flame. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Bitch, I'm. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, Lord, take my bag. Please, the devil empty me. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, Lord, take my bag. The devil entered me. Lord, take my bag. The devil entered me. Fuck this industry. Bitch, I'm in the streets. They say tears is pain. I call it bullshit. Cause when I'm finished crying, I'm back to this bullshit. I got a full clip for my enemies. They wanna see me dead.
So when it came to opening the bamboo, there's a few methods that you can use, but I am still working on my arm strength, and I was using the ground as momentum for beating them open because bamboo isn't wood, it's really a grass, and it's a little bit different than just slicing it open. You kind of have to maneuver it with a large, strong knife or just strength in general, or you can crack it open. So I was just using all different kinds of methods, and eventually I just asked some guys around who were strong enough to do it really easily to help me knock through them because it was getting to be too long for me to keep banging on them. I was using hammers and other like bamboo pieces to get them open. And every once in a while, if I dropped them hard enough, I could just use the force to split it open that way as well.
Off these fucking streets, I drink this fucking liquor. You know the remedy. Walk a flock of flame. Ain't no enemy. Shout out to my mama. Man, she got my back. Man, I love my family. That's a fucking fact. Fuck this industry. I mean that shit, dog. Walk a flock of flame. Man, I want it all. I can't trust myself, so don't trust me. I can't trust my friends, man, they set me up. Back to this bullshit. Man, this industry full of bullshit. Fuck this industry, bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry, bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry, bitch, I'm in these streets. Lord, take my back, the devil empty me. Fuck this industry, bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry, bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry, bitch, I'm in these streets. Lord, take my back, the devil empty me. Lord, take my back, the devil empty me. Lord, take my back.
Tried to be, and I got soul in my soul, but not quite like Mary. Ain't nothing really R&B about me. And I said bump with the hood say. I'm sorry, I ain't in the Benzes in my videos. I'm sorry, I ain't even really trying to match my clothes. I can tell you better figure for my queen dish, but I can also tell you who the king dealer is. And I got knowledge if you really wanna talk about it. But I don't trust the part just to walk around it. So I'm writing this letter to the industry. It says fuck you, signed sincerely. Oh, damn. Here we go again. So low, can you tone it down? Be more like them. But everything I'm not makes me everything I am. Oh, damn. Ooh, here we go again. People talking shit, but when shit hits the fan, everything I'm not makes me everything I am. Not a goody. I don't watch my mouth, but I'm a goody. But I appreciate the ones who rootin' for me, 'cause everybody gon' got an opinion.
Finally, when I had them all cut down to size, I trimmed off some more edges to make it wide enough as well. And then I sanded down all of those rough cuts and splinters away before I even drew on my design. And I drew my design a couple ways. Two of the comb designs were used in Procreate, and the other one I actually downloaded from this website because I watched a video on YouTube and he offered a free template for his pick, and so I just used that one. But I did tweak it a little bit so that way it could match the theme of the other two. But for the most part, the teeth was mimicked from that design.
Listen long enough, you can love me. Breathe, breathe me in, taste my words, let me blow your mind. I'll take you far, far away. I'll make you feel alright. You gotta crave it and chase it until you're close enough to taste it. I can give you what you need. I can give you what you need.
And after all of my designs were etched on, it actually still took me some time before I got to cutting and carving each comb. I knew how to use a bandsaw at this point, but there was still some more knowledge that I had to really grasp. And meanwhile, I was thinking and working on